This is my story. The story moving forward alone. I know I am not a good photographer. I know I am not a successful person. I don't know what fate has in store for me, but I don't blame fate for my present. I thank my dear friend for being with me. I thank him for building my beautiful friendship with nature. The love of nature cannot be described in any other language. It's just one-sided love. The more you stay with nature, the more you will try to know deeper, and the more you fall in deep love. We'll run again and again, like Krishna's sweet flute. You will feel nature in your soul. Nature will offer you love in her beautiful language. It will you closer. I love nature. I feel nature. The real purpose of life I have found in closing. This is me. This is my love. This is my story of becoming a photographer. Thank you.